Gold and silver both dropping till towards the first resistance levels at 1945 and 2460 have seen a good reversal and a bounce back, and now is still trading with bullish bias above 1960 and 2490 levels. So what to expect today? Which position you should take in order to profit trading gold and silver? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. Next video will be up before the US session. Watch that also. Before leaving the video, just press the like button. Do share, subscribe and comment and press the bell icon. Also, you can join my free Telegram channel in order to get the live updates. The link is mentioned in the channel and video description. Let's start. First, we'll look into gold followed with silver. Do watch till the end. If you look at gold's movement, you can see this was trading bearish here on the hourly charts, and since then we have seen a recovery. Now it is almost a V-shaped recovery with a sharper bullish bias, and hence probably it may try to achieve 64-65 levels, the first resistance zone, and definitely it is a greater resistance zone. So you can get $2 to $3 if you buy at 1962, but then remember 62 to 65 is a greater resistance zone. As of now we can see this, but at the same time it's still gold is trading with the bullish bias. So probably once it stays above 62 you can initiate a buy entry. However, one has to remain alert till 1965 level. On the downside, you can initiate a sell entry here at 1954, but then as we discussed, see lower lows are getting created, and once again if it trades below 1950 we can see a sharper drop this time, which might take the prices till towards 45 and 40 levels. But let's have a further detailed look. See stochastic back into overbought zone. The MACD is trading with divergence and bullishness. It has seen a sharp drop, now looking forward to a recovery. And if you look at RSI is also recovering, looking upwards on the hourly charts. Coming to the 2-hour chart, same observation on the 2-hour charts, rise, retracement, and now this is on the second leg of its rise. However, it has to break past this zone in order to confirm the bullishness. Also, you can see first green candle, second green candle. I will see the height of this candle. If it stays smaller to this candle, certainly you can say that the bulls are not pretty much interested as of now and getting stronger resistance on the upside. Stochastic back to overbought levels. See, MACD crossing here is a good sign. It is good for bulls here. It can try to pull the prices or lift the prices little up. RSI is also looking upwards. Coming to the 3-hour, on the 3-hour charts also rise, retracement, and now looking upwards. Definitely one can look forward to 62-65 zone. Beyond that, more bullishness might take the prices till towards 73 levels. Stochastic back to overbought, MACD willing to converge crossover. This is the first wave. Second wave it can initiate, but let it cross over and then we can confirm the bullishness. RSI rising, and on the 4-hour chart, likewise on the 4-hour chart you can see the same observation what we have seen on the 2H 3H charts, retracement and this rise, and see first bullish candle, second bullish candle initiating. Probably it could try to lift the prices little up and may continue on the upside. Stochastic back to overbought zone, MACD willing to converge crossover. It is not yet crossed over yet. RSI almost trading flat. Coming to the daily charts now. Now on the daily charts, one observation is just achieve these 3 highs. Just you can connect these 3 highs, you will find 62 levels is a greater resistance here. Once it stays above 62, I think it is going to lift the prices further high. I will expect it to break past the previous resistances at 1964 levels, and one can expect it to continue with the upward movement. So how one should treat this as, see the rise, retracement, and now if it breaks past 62, certainly more bullish momentum can continue, and I think probably it is going to break past 1962. But only thing is I will wait for it to see till these 3 highs are connected. We are going to get good resistance here at 62, only breaking past which one can confirm the rise. Also look at this flat bottom, and the previous candle was an indecision here. It has seen a good drop, but a good drop with a sharp tail and a greener body confirms that the bulls are still very much interested to keep the prices lifted. Stochastic overbought, MACD is divergent, bullish, RSI is flat looking at the top. Considering this, you can buy at 62. However, be very cautious and alert of 64-65 till I will say 64-67 zone is what where gold is going to get the next resistance, and then I will be looking forward to 1973 levels, the next target. Beyond 1973, sky is the limit for 1984-85 and then 2000 levels. At the same time, on the downside, you can sell here at 54, expect 50 45 46 zone first target, and then 40 41 next target. Lower lows might be seen if it stays below 45 levels and 50 levels specifically. You can see once it turns red here, you can expect a sharper drop there, so you can take your trades accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss. Now let's have a look at silver. And before we proceed, if you want to learn this art of trading, you should join my mentorship batch. 24th batch going to start on first week of August. Register yourself now itself. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Only limited seats are available, and hence reserve your seats now itself. Now look at silver on the hourly chart. See, lower highs are seen here. It has already formed a great wick earlier in the day with the market open. Right now, I will wait for it to break past 24.95 levels. Beyond that, you can expect it to again see. This candle is important for us. Once it breaks past, definitely it is going to get stronger resistance at 25 and 25.05 levels. So possibly till 25.20 silver has got good resistance. Beyond that, it is going to fly high. See, the price has wanted to converge till towards this level. Now it is looking upwards. Stochastic at bottom on the hourly charts. MACD also crossing over at the bottom, trying to trade with divergence. Good bullish sign there. And RSI at bottom trying to look upwards. Coming to the 2-hour charts, here also prices converged till towards 20 period moving average, taking the support from the moving average, now looking upwards. On the 2-hour charts, it has formed a big wick on the previous candle and the body was small, but this was the indication where it suggests that bulls do not or are not willing to keep the prices high, and that is why a smaller body compared to the complete movement. However, right now it has created a tail continuing to move upwards. Possibly we may again see silver getting the resistance at 25 25 10 25 20 levels. Very good resistance there. On the downside, you can initiate a sell at 2480. However, as we discussed, 2470 first, 2460 till 2450 levels, we have 10 cents trailing stop loss. Stochastic has dropped. MACD trading with the bearish bias here, willing to converge crossover, and RSI is flat near to top. Coming to the 3-hour, similar observation on the 3-hour charts. Higher lows are seen, higher highs are seen. It is trying to create a channel of its own, and once it stays about 24.95, you can try to initiate a little buy here, because still 25.10 25.20 we have got very good resistance. Stochastic overbought, looking downwards, it was near to overbought levels. MACD willing to converge. RSI is near to overbought levels. And on the 4-hour chart, similar observation, but this candle might try to refrain itself from achieving the highs of the previous candle. Possibility exists for this. Also, it has created a very good base at 2480, and hence only below 2480 I will recommend a sell. Stochastic flat. MACD is bearish, you can see, and RSI is overbought. Coming to the daily. Now see, on the daily charts, it has achieved higher highs, and which means till here we are going to see maximum resistance for silver, and if it breaks past on above 25.20, sky is the limit. Else you can see the previous candle, which was an indecision candle. It has a long tail and a very small body here. Price is not willing to stay up, down. That is what it suggested here. Stochastic is overbought here. MACD is extremely divergent and bullish. RSI is overbought again, and hence maximum indicators are on overbought side. But remember, when instrument goes into overbought side, mostly more buyers pitch in and take the prices or keep the prices lifted, and hence one has to still be watchful here. You can buy it now 24.95, but then till 25.20 do not think that the silver is trying to fly high. Beyond 25.20 it is not going to look back. Remember these two facts. Till 25.20 we are not going to consider silver as extremely bullish. Beyond 25.20 we are going to remain 100% bullish for 25.50, even 26 levels. On the downside, you can expect a drop below 24.80, but then again 24.50 40 levels, we are just putting a 10 cents trailing stop loss. We can say as it drops below 24.80, I will be 70% bearish, 30% is still bullish. Below 24.60 we can say 50-50, and below 24.40 it is 100% bearish, 0% bullish. So take your positions accordingly. Trade with a stop loss, trade with a trailing stop loss, and do not forget to like, share, subscribe and comment. Join my mentorship batch. It is a must for anyone who wants to become an independent and a professional trader. You should learn the tools, techniques and strategies so that you can identify profitable trades and trade profitably. Reach out to me for more details. My Telegram and email IDs are mentioned in the channel and video description. Also, you can be part of my signals channel. We are trading as per the signals. Definitely, you can benefit. Thank you very much. Have a great profitable trading day ahead. Thank you.